boss. Now you are watching the 2 megawatt SS system. Let me introduce you. Here there is a print with pieces of the 500 kilowatt MPS. That is the inverter. And here there are 8 sets of the lithium battery, totally as a 2 megawatt hour lithium battery storage. Right now we are doing the test of the leakage debugging. It is for the quickest use after this container arrives in your community. This is the lithium battery pack inside. There are 8 sets, and the air conditioner is automatically controlled. When the temperature is high, it will switch on directly. So you also have school, farms, hospitals, buildings, and community projects. Like this 2 megawatt solar system, you can contact us. Tanfon Solar will always be your choice.